In industry, every second counts. Machines have to keep running, processes can't stall, and every connection has to be spot on. But many connectors are slow, prone to errors, and hard to integrate. But what if it could be easier? What if everything just clicked into place? With the heavy-duty HEAVYCON modular connector, connection technology is being completely reimagined. Fast, flexible, and error-free. Thanks to the clever click system, modules can be intuitively assembled. And today we're going to show you how HEAVYCON Modular is revolutionizing the industry and why every second matters. Norman, can you tell us what the HEAVYCON connector can do that others can't?
Of course. The new HEAVYCON modular frame stands out from the established connectors on the market in two main ways. First, there's the completely tool-free assembly, and second, the protective earth connection via the push-in contact. The tool-free assembly allows customers to save an enormous amount of time. Compared to existing connectors, that's up to 95%. That means, when a customer takes an existing solution and basically picks up a tool for the first time to tighten the first screw, our insert is already assembled.
Yes.
And the innovative push-in insert for the PE contact allows the customer to no longer be strictly tied to the conventional assembly sequence, because with normal, standard connectors, the PE screw absolutely has to be tightened, and for that particular reason, the insert either must not or indeed cannot be mounted in the housing at that specific point in time. With the push-in insert, the protective earth conductor can still be connected even when the insert is already installed.
So, no more conventional installation procedures. Can you show us how quick the assembly is now with the HEAVYCON modular?
Of course. Here, I've prepared a sample. This is a module carrier frame where the module hasn't been installed yet. You can also see here how easy it is to insert our modules into the frame. You simply snap the module into the frame, and thanks to the snap-in function and the springs, the module is held securely in place. And now we have a pre-assembled insert here. This can be very easily inserted into the robust frame using the convenient click-in function, and when you firmly press it, you will hear two distinct audible clicks, so you know for sure that the secure locking elements have engaged completely and the insert is now securely locked in place.
Yes, Norman, as you mentioned earlier, this is mainly found in plant engineering. Can you explain to us again why this is such an interesting area of application?
Well, it's especially interesting there because, particularly in mechanical and plant engineering, it's important to be able to connect different transmission media like power, data, and signals quickly and easily. And of course, a customizable connector where you can use different modules is very helpful. And especially with our modular system, we offer exactly that and solve this problem, because different modules can transmit these transmission media. This makes assembly, disassembly, and maintenance of the systems much easier, and at the same time ensures that the systems are more flexible and can be expanded more easily.
Yes, thank you, Norman. First of all for this brief, but detailed insight into our new product from Phoenix Contact. If you want to learn more about HEAVYCON heavy-duty connectors, visit us online at phoenixcontact.com or follow us on our social media channels.